Welcome to the Team Building Workshop, presented by Anindya Sundar Dey, Director at Copro Solutions Private Limited, held on 30th August at the Karmick Institute. In this action-based team building workshop, our students didn't just learn about collaboration, they lived it. Our students learned that by using their unique strengths together, they could accomplish more than they ever could on their own. Mr. Dey started the workshop with a simple but powerful message. There is strength in unity. He shared a short clip on Unity is Strength and emphasized that just like in nature, when animals travel in groups, they're smarter, stronger, and safer. They leverage their combined effort to achieve what one could not. This same principle applies to our teams. Next, Mr. Dey shared a familiar story, the hare and the turtle, with a modern twist. The overconfident hare, taking his speed for granted, rests and loses the race to the slow and steady tortoise. The initial lesson is simple. Consistency and effort will always beat overconfidence and laziness. But the story doesn't end there. In the next race, the hare, now realizing his mistake and becoming motivated and focused, sprints to the finish line and wins easily. The moral of this round: it's good to be slow and steady, but it's even better to be fast and consistent. Reliability and speed are a powerful combination. The story continues with the tortoise realizing he can't win on the hare's terms and can't beat his speed. So, he changes the game. He challenges the hare to a new race on a path that includes a river. He uses his core competency, swimming, to win. The lesson here is crucial. Identify your core competencies, then change the playing field to suit them. The most important part of the story was yet to come in this team-building workshop. The hare and the tortoise become a team in this final race. They combine their strengths, the hare's speed on land and the tortoise's swimming ability in the water, to finish the race together. The final moral: individually, you may be brilliant, but a team that leverages each other's strengths will always perform better. Mr. Dey then moved to the next powerful segment with a counterexample. Whose problem is it? He shared a story, the mousetrap. The farm animals all dismiss the mouse's problem with the mousetrap because they think it doesn't affect them. One by one, their lack of concern leads to a terrible outcome for each of them. The moral was clear. What you dismiss as someone else's problem can quickly become your own. Our well-being is interconnected. Following the powerful stories and lessons, Mr. Dey had the students participate in a hands-on activity, where they put learned principles into practice. Our students formed groups and were challenged to build the tallest freestanding structure with newspaper. Mr. Dey gave our students more such interactive and collaborative challenges to learn more about working together, communicating, and utilizing each other's ideas to succeed, remembering the hare and the tortoise story. This team-building workshop was about more than just a few fun activities. It was about shifting our mindset from I to we. True success and a sense of great satisfaction come from working together, understanding each other's strengths, and facing challenges as a team. We hope you were inspired by the session. To stay updated on upcoming workshops and seminars led by industry experts, visit the Karmick Institute website. You can also grab free resources to enhance your IT skills.